So now we're going to cut this center back U that we talked about in class. We're going to cut that out, and I'm going to add some elastic just at the bottom. I'm using, I guess that's inch wide elastic. So it's going to live there. The goal of the elastic is to cinch in the back, but you don't want to cinch in the back, okay? You're not trying to squeeze your head. You're just trying to keep the hat on. That's all you need to do. So,
and you should probably watch the pressing video for this first.
Yes, watch the pressing video first, and then you will be ready to do this. This is so hard. You cut a U shape. I'm not, before I cut all the way through, this is one of my center back pieces, right? I've got two of them. They're equal on either side. I am not cutting all the way through that into this seam. I am cutting 3/4 of the way through that. I don't want to cut the whole center back piece out. Okay, so if you put this on your head, oh look, here's a head. If you put this on your head, see how that stands out away from the head here? We don't want that. I want that to cinch into the head, if that makes sense. Okay? So that's what we're going to do with our elastic. I'm going to clean up this line a little bit because it's kind of ugly. Okay. So I'm going to put my elastic to the inside, and you're going to follow me over to the sewing machine.
And just to keep y'all from getting motion sick, I am going to cover the camera for that.
Thank you, Audrey. Okay, so I'm going to pin this in place and zigzag over it. I'm putting it to the inside so I don't have a big lump.
Show them how to get to the zigzag setting.
Well, every machine is different, so I'm hoping you know how to get to the zigzag setting on your machine. So if I just lay this that way, there's no cinch. Okay, it's just as wide as it was before. So I'm going to pull it in a little bit. It's elastic. If it has to, it will stretch. Pulling it in a little bit, but not a lot.
Also, don't drop your scissors.
Yeah, don't drop your scissors. Cut that off. I'm eyeballing it because I can. Gonna leave a healthy amount on the inside so that if I need to, I can take those stitches out and reposition. Okay? That's always a good thing. Give yourself an out. Now, the way this machine is situated down in this table, I can't put that's not going to work. So I have to flip it to the inside. I want to flip my pins to the inside as well, because I want to know where they are. Okay?
So you do not get stabbed.
No stabbing and no breaking needles on your pins.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Yeah, that's not good either. Okay? Alright, so that's what it looks like now. And I'm going to lay this. And my machine decided to die, so I'm working with a very unfamiliar machine, so we'll hope this is the right stitch. Sometimes you just have to roll with it.
And we can't really see the stitch with the head the way it is, so...
I'm going to turn it around. There, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Apologies for your personal bubble.
Oh, well, that's fine. I don't care.
Hang on.
There is no more personal bubble.
Oh, that's a better angle.
Yeah, definitely in my personal bubble.
Apologies.
Anyway. So, see, even after you've flattened that false shape, you can still stitch through it. And this is not a super, super strong machine. But she's doing great. She and I are getting to know each other. We're having coffee, as it were.
Let's take a look at what that looks like finished.
And that's what that looks like finished on the inside.
Here we go. Now we can see it.
There we go. And on the outside.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Okay. So,
moving y'all back over.
I can scooch this back under. which is always a struggle. Millinery and modern sewing machines are a struggle. There are antique machines that are designed for millinery. If only. Maybe Santa Claus will bring me one someday.
Very expensive.
They're very hard. It's not even just that they're expensive. They're just really hard to find. But I did get to work with one once, and it was glorious. And there we go. And that's the other side of my elastic. It's that easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. Yeah. Trim off all of those. And these are my craft scissors. I don't know why I'm using them on this. But
because they were there.
Because they were there. So, when you put this on a head, that's now going to cinch in. This is going to bubble out a little bit, but we're not worried about that. Because this is a Showgirl hat. There's going to be superstructure of some sort, which you guys get to decide on. Okay. So when we put that back on the head, see? No more space down here. That's the goal. This now lays flat to the back of the head, and then this can be shaped in whatever manner you deem fit. Remember, you need to expose the ears because hearing is important, especially when you're a showgirl. Okay, so I'm going to show you the millinery stitch in the next video.